There was once a man who decided he would go from Jerusalem down to the town of Jericho. It was a dangerous road. There were robbers on the way. But a man set off walking there any old way. But lo and behold, he'd not been going long when some bandits turned up, intent on doing wrong. They took him by surprise. They beat him black and blue. They left him in a heap and took all his money too. They left him on his own. They left him on the ground, miles away from anywhere, with nobody around. Later on that day, by chance, there came a priest on his way to the temple to celebrate a feast. He spotted the man lying there in his need. But he hurried on by and increased his speed. Just then, a teacher came in view. But when he saw the man, he ran away too. So the poor man lay there as night began to fall, and began to think he'd reached the end of it all. Then should come by but a man from Samaria, which made the chap on the floor feel even warier. The Samaritans were enemies and had been for years. Surely things now couldn't possibly get worse. What was this? He came to a stop, knelt down by the man, and bandaged him up. He led him to a town and took him to an inn, and ordered the folk there to take good care of him. Then the stranger made sure that everything was paid for, and said that he'd return should the bill be any more. And so our hero was saved by a stranger's kind deed, a man who proved to be a good neighbour indeed.